Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. We are from Group 4. Group 4. Today we are going to present our group assignment for SMP10603, Principle of Accounting under the topic Product Costing, Manufacturing Account. For this assignment, our group has created a manufacturing company named Seri Murni Bakery Sendian Berhad. This is a local bakery company in Malaysia that produces fresh and affordable bakery products for daily consumption. For this assignment, our group has created a manufacturing company named Seri Murni Bakery Sendian Berhad. This is a local bakery company in Malaysia that produces fresh and affordable bakery products for daily consumption. Our group produces products such as loaf bread, bun and other baked items which are ideal for breakfast and light meal. We focus on freshness and consistent quality to meet customer needs. Besides that, our company also emphasizes hygiene, food safety and halal practice to ensure all products are safe and high quality. In addition, we practice efficient workforce and inventory management to reduce losses and improve overall efficiency. In conclusion, Ceremony Bakery Sendian Berhad is a bakery brand created by our group that focuses on product quality, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement for future growth.
Next, we will look for the products of Ceremony Bakeries in Berhad. The company produces soft and fresh bread they make from quality ingredients such as flour, yeast, and milk. Next, company produces traditional and local cakes. These products help preserve traditional flavors while meeting modern quality and hygiene standards. The third product category is cakes. The cakes are available in various flavors and sizes. These cakes suitable for daily consumption and other occasions such as birthday or any celebrations. The company focuses on freshness, taste, and attractive presentation. Another product is pastries. These pastries are made using butter and selected fillets that giving them crispy and soft texture. These pastries are suitable for tea time, dessert, and cafe-style consumption. The last product that company produces is buns. Ceremony Bakeries in Berhad offers plain and filled buns with sweet and savory fillings. In conclusion, the variety of products offered by Ceremony Bakeries in Berhad allows the company to meet different consumer needs and remain competitive in the bakery industry.
For next part, we're going to talk about relevant costing information for the product, which includes raw materials, labor, and overhead costs. For Sri Murni Bakery Sendian Berhad, raw materials refers to direct materials, which refers to inputs that become part of the bread itself and whose cost can be directly measured per loaf. The main raw material includes our wheat flour, sugar, yeast, salt, vegetable oil, and water. Each of these materials is consumed during the bakery process and be clearly tried from the mixing stages to the finishing loaf. To ensure consistency in costing, the analyzed is based on a production level of 1,000 loaves per day. This slide shows the daily raw material cost calculation for producing 1,000 loaves of white bread. Wheat flour is the main raw material with 60 kg used per at a cost of 2 ringgit per kilogram, resulting in 120 ringgit. Other materials such as sugar, yeast, salt, oil and water are calculated based on their usage per loaf and current market prices. When all raw materials costs are added together, the total raw material cost for one day of production is 100 ringgit, 75 ringgit and 60 cent. To determine the raw material cost per unit, the total cost is divided by the total number of loaves produced. Therefore, the raw material cost per loaf is approximately 18 cents per loaf.
The next is direct labor. The direct labor is referred to focus directly involved assembly workers for 30 hours per 60 ringgit, which are 1,800. In addition, quality control workers cost 800 per unit. Lastly, the direct labor per unit is 2,600.
Today, I will briefly explain the overhead cost for the Seri Murni Bakery Sdn Bhd in 2025. Overhead costs are indirect expenses that support production but cannot be directly linked to a specific product. These costs are important because they influence the total production cost and business profitability. At the beginning of the year, work in process on 1 January 2025 was RM3,000. Throughout the year, several overhead expenses were incurred. These include premise rent of RM6,000 and utilities of RM3,000, which are necessary for daily business operations. Machine depreciation amounted to RM2,500, reflecting the usage of production equipment. The supervisor's salary was RM2,000, while cleaner wages for 2 workers total RM3,400, ensuring a clean and safe workplace. Other overhead costs include insurance and safety expenses of RM2,500 and indirect materials costing RM550. At the end of the year, work in process on 31 December 2025 was RM10,000, which is deducted after all adjustment. The total overhead cost is RM12,950 ringgit. In conclusion, effective management of overhead costs help control expenses and improve operational efficiency. Thank you.
In conclusion, Seri Murni Bakery Sdn Bhd demonstrate strong operational efficiency through effective cost management, quality control, and halal compliance. The company carefully managed raw materials, labor, and overhead costs to produce fresh and affordable bakery product for daily consumption. With consistent product quality, reduced wastage, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction, Seri Murni Bakery is well positioned for continuous improvement and sustainable future growth.